Hey, check it out, folks. Look at this. Military backhoes and a military teeny tiny little parajumping bobcat. There's a National Guard armory right here where I'm sitting. It's like 100 yards behind me. A second ago, 2 large carriers pulled in carrying landing boats. Cool, huh? Oh, we can go look at the landing boats. Yeah, there they are. The Hemmets carrying the landing boats. Well, that's cool. Anyway, see? They're moving shit all around the country. That's a bridge. That one is a bridge. Awesome. Alright, I gotta go. Thanks, folks.